Good morning, students. Today we will be doing fractions in their lowest terms. Yesterday we completed exercise 5.2 where you did comparison of fractional numbers. You know, a fraction in its lowest terms, if its numerator and denominator cannot be divided by a common factor except 1. Okay, see, to find the fractional number in their lowest term, we will divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Clear? Today we shall start exercise 5.3. Look at question number 1. Which of the following fractions are in their lowest terms? Here we need to find out of these fractional numbers how many of these are in their lowest terms. Okay, to find out we will be doing this exercise. Okay, what is today's date? Today is 29/7/2020. Clear? Okay, exercise 5.3, question number 1. Okay, so here we go. 14 upon 21. 14 upon 21. Look at the given question. Okay, 14 upon 21. Solution. Check both the number carefully, the numerator and the denominator both. Here 14 and 21 both comes in 7th table. Okay, so let's check whether both are divisible by any number or not. Yes, it is divisible by 7. This is also divisible by 7. You have to keep in mind that numerator and denominator will be reduced to their lowest terms by dividing both by the same number. If you're dividing numerator by 7 and denominator by 8, then it will never be in their lowest term. So you have to divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Clear? Now see, 7 into what makes 14? 7 2s are 14. 7 into what makes 21? 7 3s are 21. So here the lowest term of 14 upon 21 is 2 by 3. So was this number in its lowest term? No. So the answer will be no. Clear? Understood? So let's take question number B. Question number B. What is the question? 30 upon 42. 30 upon 42. Clear? Now, see 30 and 42 carefully. Is it divisible by any number or any table? Is both the number divisible by any table or any number? I can see 30 comes in 6 table and 42 also comes in 6 table. So I will divide it by both the number by 6. 6. Okay. 6 into what makes 30? 6 5s are 30. 6 into what makes 42? 6 7s are 42. So the lowest term of 30 upon 42 is 5 by 7. Was this in lowest term? No. Again it was not in lowest term. Clear? Now look at question number C. Look at question number C. 18 upon 25. Solution. Clear? Look at both the number carefully. Is 18 and 25 comes in the same table? 18 is divisible by 3 stable, but 25 is not. 18 is divisible by 9 stable, but 25 is not. Therefore, 18 and 25 are in their lowest term. Clear? Because both the numbers are not divisible by the same divisor. Clear? So this fractional number is in its lowest term. No, here it is not in lowest term. No, it is not in lowest term. Clear? So like this, you have to find out other two questions also. Clear? So you will be doing question number D and E for practice. Clear? Now let's move to question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Reduce the following fraction to their lowest terms. Reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms. The same process and the method we will be using in question number 2. Question number 2. A. (18 upon 26). 18 upon 26. Write 18 upon 26 and look at both the number carefully. See the digit at one's place are both even numbers. Okay, so we will be dividing both the number by 2. Clear? 2 into what makes 18? 2 9s are 18. 2 into what makes 26? 2 13s are 26. Now 9 is divisible by 3, but 13 is not. And see here, 13 is the prime number while 9 is the odd number. So both the numbers are in their lowest terms now. Clear? Question number F. 5 upon 35. 5 upon 35. See, both the numbers have 5 at its ones place. So let's divide both the number by 5. Clear? 5 into what makes 5? 5 1s are 5. Clear? 5 into what makes 35? 5 7s are 35. See, it is in lowest terms. Like this, you have to solve all the questions in question number 2. Practice. Homework. Question number B to E and G and H. Clear? Try doing these questions by yourself. If you find any confusion, any difficulty, you will be messaging me. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you.